Hello, welcome to a stream. Today we are looking at this software, kind of a 90s undocumented software. We're just going to be tinkering around with it, kind of learn the basics, and that's just about it. I couldn't find any documentation of the thing, so I'm just going completely blind. Uh, Going through the settings, and I'm practically the first person documenting this software. So, pretty simple controls for now. Here, yeah, these just look like the camera controls, and actually this is my first time tinkering with it, so I have no idea what anything does. So yeah, to be these appear to be the camera controls, and you can't control it. Wait, what? So we have a zoom in and a zoom out. How is this any different than these? Wait, these pinch and this doesn't. Wait, does it pinch? Oh yeah, I think it does. And oh, you can hold. All right, that's some progress, you know. And now these appear. Wait, what? So these appears to rotate. This thing appears to rotate the axis. Alright, so these are movement keys. This is the rotation. I think I should be able to control it. No, this is for something completely else. Something completely different. And actually now my mouse has disappeared. This is amazing. I'm about to kill myself. Holy shit. Alright. So my mouse disappeared when I press this thing, and it should be somewhere around here. Anything on the keyboard? Nope. Nope. Oh my god. Alright, so I either crashed the software or I did something wrong. So let me just. Oops. Alright, I'll just reboot. Or just reboot the. I'll reboot the emulator because it appears to have been messed up. Say. Alright. I think I got it. I think I got it back to work. Yeah, I did. So just needed to refresh it. Not gonna touch any of these buttons. So right, so I know now that these are how you move, and this is kind of the most important thing. You can hold them. So movement, thinking. Alright, so I opened some kind of menu. I know that's kind of obvious, but I think this is where. Whoa. I think this is where you select um, the plants. So workbook does the same thing do. All right, so appears this to be some sort of a select screen. Yep. Uh, hmm. So I believe plants, the amount of years they live, the size, categories. I think. All right, let's just go with. I can't read it. Let's just go with Vossi. Just see what it does. All right. All right. So I think if I click now, yeah, I placed one. All right. So right click to place them. All right. All right. And I mean, they look. That just looks like a fish. A tree fish, if you will. Alright. Not bad. Some progress. So, movement, figured out. Alright. So this button pretty much is the plant button. Let's see something else. Shall we just plant Adam? Right, so it first shows you where you're gonna place it, and then you have to confirm. Perfect planting. Oh, thank you. So it gives you some, I guess, information here. I just planted a flower and this just looks like a mushroom. Not sure. Still don't know how to delete them though. But the progress, I mean, speaks for itself. 2 entire trees and a little flower. Alright, that's good. So let me just go and see, are there any variations? Alright, so there are bushes. Oops. So there were bushes. Okay, there is a bush. Alright, a bush, that's good. Let's see how they look. That just looks horrible. It just looks like a pile of snow. I don't like it. Alright, so bushes, I mean, it appears to be kind of simple. There are different, I think, variations of trees. I think I'm moving too fast. Alright, so this should look different. Alright. Because most of those have kind of identical designs due to obvious limitations with DOS. So it appears that they have. Oh, alright, so I guess these show you how, I don't know, like kind of the tree statistics, like what kind of soil you need, but it doesn't appear for it to have any kind of search engine. They're kind of, I think they're sorted alphabetically. Yeah, they appear to be sorted alphabetically. So you have to go alphabetically. I'm not touching anything. It's just, yeah. So you have to go through them alphabetically. If they click here, no, it will just drag me one up. Alright, so there is an info button, which, oh, plant list. This list shows you the current plant selection. It may be ordered by phone name, the default situation, by common name, see section 1212 in the manual. Well, sadly, the manual doesn't exist anywhere online, so I couldn't find it. I'm looking for it. I just emailed some of the developers actually to try and get the manual. or some of the people that work for the company, if they can, give me contact information of some of the developers. Sadly, only one has responded, and he was a journalist, and he worked for that company. Otherwise, he is a freelancer, so couldn't get any useful information from him. But the guy did answer my email. So, alright. Okay, so here's where you place plants and things. That's good. I believe that this is where you place actual buildings. So I have a house, a arch, square feature, circular feature, greenhouse, wall fence. So let's try put a nice little fence, as much as the software will allow me. Alright. And here we go. A fence. I mean, it's kind of 3D. I mean, the name says it's 3D, but it isn't. It's kind of like 2D. Yeah, it just looks like a paper cut. Oh, Pizza Pasta, thank you for the follow. How are you doing today? Hey, hello. As you can see, we're doing some gardening. Not very successfully though. Kind of studying the software. I couldn't find a manual anywhere, and I am developing a severe case of depression and lack of judgment when it comes to what I spend my time on. Just spent 18 hours the other 2 days setting this thing up, and I'm, to be honest, quite disappointed. I see why not many people have talked about it. So anyway, how are you doing? Okay, so we have a wall. Let me see how the greenhouse looks. Small greenhouse. Oh, can we place it here? Did it? Wait, what? Did I just? Okay, they interlapsed, and now you can see the wall. I'm really amazed by the art style of this. Well, I mean, yeah, it's good. It's really good actually for a DOS software. Like, this is, I think, 1993. Some sources say 1995, but it's the 90s, so it looks actually quite, how can I say it? Quite presentable for that time. I just got caught off guard by this greenhouse going, or the wall going through the greenhouse. Wait, I'm actually going to see on the other side if the greenhouse goes through the wall. No, I think the wall. I think I just stuck the wall into this greenhouse, and that is obviously not very. I mean, not very good. If you're a garden planner, you don't want to be sticking walls into the other buildings. But let's see. So, square features. I don't know garden jargon. All I know is that I've watched like 5 hours TLC gardening, so that's something. Okay, so perfect positioning. Wait, what? Okay, how do I? It's a weird angle. Okay, where? Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's just a square. Can we put plants on it? I don't know how features work. Wait, you can't? Wait, you can. Plant likes virtual shade. Okay, so it warns you about that, but you can place them on a feature. Actually, I'm just going to go and Google what's a feature of a garden, because I have no fucking idea. Right, so it appears just to be a square area in which people put like fountains and plants and shit. I mean, yeah, it's... What did I expect, actually? So we can place walls. Can I rotate it? Maybe. Oh, these are for rotation. The last time they kind of soft locked me, but... Alright, walls and fences are different. That's good. Wait, what? Delete feature. Oh, what did I click? Use up and down arrow. Okay, so this is how you delete features. Okay, I'll just clear it. So, okay. I have no idea how I did this. Is this the chop? Yeah. Alright, so chop. So now it's clean. And I can probably... I have no idea from what perspective am I looking at it. I'm trying to... Alright. This should be better. Okay, maybe a little bit. Navigation is kind of awkward with buttons and things. Like, it's weird because they could have simply assigned this to a mouse function. So maybe activate the mouse feature and just from then go and move it. The buttons, not a big fan of that. Luckily, Blender removed the buttons. We have this little information button. This is the area where you can design the garden or change the existing garden by adding and removing features and plants. See section blank of the manual, which, as already said, the manual doesn't exist, or at least isn't archived on any website actually on which I looked, which is actually quite disappointing. So that's why, reaching out to developers and things. So here we have a little book, which I guess is the searching an Adam. I think that's the... Wait, what? Alright. Do I need to fill meters, shape? Alright. Oh, so this is... From what I can... Wait, what is supposed to be this? I think... So, this thing, the book... I think this is a custom flower maker or plant maker or whatever it is, because you can't... Or whatever, I'll just give it a placeholder name. But I don't have to enter it. Wait. No, we need to enter it. 22 meters. 12 meters, sure. Yeah, so this is, I think, a custom maker. So you could, name, height. I guess that's useful if you're a gardener. So here you have the extra information. Climber difficulty, I guess that's fragrant, evergreen, autumn color, I guess. Aquatic, minimum winter temperature, age of maturity. So yeah, just looks... I have no idea. Did I just post it? And there's a gate. So no, the gate is a quit. No, I don't want to quit. Alright, so the gate is a quit. Alright. So this is the custom flower maker. My question now is it here? So, I again need to go down because, why implement the search engine? So, I think it was P placeholder. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. And this is the plant we made, and it is huge. I didn't realize how big 22 meters was. But hey, they considered everything. That's just smart design. 22 meters. Do you know what that is? I know what 22 meters are. They're big. They're long. They're high. Look, hey Vanish. But 22 meters. I just realized that that's kind of like an apartment building. Just like a schlong. Alright, I'm making you... I will make you a plant as big as your schlong if you want me to. So I'll just call it one. Can it be dig form? So wait. Vanishes long. I will show you the forms. Oh, I can't spell. Can't edit it. It's Anish now. Name it Vanish. Your phone name. Here you go. Here you go. Height. It's like 0.1 meters. Spread at maturity levels. I have no idea what spread maturity levels is. I don't know. Which I don't know which of these shapes resembles a schlong. Height is 99. Wait, can we actually make a? Can we actually make a 99 meter? Like, all right, sure. I. These are the sizes. So, which cut you want? 999. I mean, I don't. I don't know if. Oh yeah, sure. 999 works. More accurate. I don't know which size or which cut you want on your foreskin. Like, do you want the flower cut or the bush cut? Are you more of a circular cut? The second to last. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's pretty fresh. Okay. So here we go. I think I posted it. The guy from Incredibles. Wait. The little lady. Yeah, she's from The Incredibles. Okay, there it is. Vanish Cock, unofficial name. Yes. So there it is. Very precise 99 meters. I have no idea where my mouse is. Oh, whoops. I kind of don't want this to crash again. This place. Okay, so is this the zoom out? Which was the zoom out? Ooh, the program doesn't like this number. I want to zoom out so so I can see it in all of its glory. The program doesn't like it. Edna mode. Alright, so there we. I mean, it's still not at 99. Edna. Oh, or the name of the little short lady, yeah. Alright. Okay, so this is a. Oh, thank you for the host. This is a accurate presentation of your schlong, or at least according to you. So it's very thin. It's like half a meter thin. Oh, thank you. Thank you for calling me a cuck. Look, you can't be a cuck if you're lonely. But this is an accurate representation according to you. I would go a little bit further, but I'm afraid. Because it's already kind of struggling. Alright, so. Yeah, there we go. I would just get rid of it. So we can. Alright. Now it's a little bit smoother. Or at least as smooth as DOS software runs. Alright, so this thing next is buy new PC. Yeah, I'm sorry that I'm sorry that my Intel I don't fucking know its characteristics. I'm sorry that my 1060 can't handle DOS software. I'm going to buy it with the YouTube revenue I make from exploiting little girls on TikTok. This is gonna get me cancelled one day. Alright, so this is I guess this is a control panel for your plot, so you can make accurate plots. I think so. Ryzen is better. Yeah. I know. I'm an Nvidia fan. Wait, so yeah, the game. Many sources claimed it's 1995. It's 1993, so it's because they used the first reference here. So we're making it 2020. And soil type. Alright, so what are they? Three? Three soil types. So is this where the sun is? Or how it's facing the sun? Not sure, but I'm changing it. Alright, so there we go. Okay. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Running a bit worse, but that's okay. Kind of getting used to the I know Ryzen is a CPU noob. I know that Ryzen is a CPU. I'm just an Intel fanboy. Although, looking at them nowadays, like 2020, their products have been getting shitty and overpriced. I'm gonna lurk because I'm editing. Oh, yeah. Good luck on that. Making Fiverr monies. Well, good luck with that. You're probably editing the 5th Fortnite montage. Fortnite funny moment for Epic Gamers. Although Intel sucks me. Well, they haven't been getting it. Well, no, I disagree. They were good at like a point in time, probably. I don't know, kind of grown to like them. I've never used an AMD, CPU. No, I think I used on my old computer. It's kind of shit, but I was using a mid-range one. Yeah, but Ryzen is way better value for your money, so don't go with that. Right, so this kind of removes, hides the menu. Actually, no official, as I said, I'm saying it for the 5th time probably. Nah, it's the 3rd, but no official documentation of that. And I'm actually kind of proud because I'm going to be writing same socket, new CPU. I'm kind of on the laptop. New sockets. Yeah, well, I guess so. I'm not. I'm not. I haven't looked that much into CPUs. Mostly look at GPUs because that's where progress in like Blender and things happens. Although, I mean, CPUs matter, even for that. All right, so here we have another which is an up and down. So, oh, oh, so more control. I like it. Okay, so from this line on, I'm pretty sure all of it is based on all of the controls on this menu are for of the for movement or movement of the camera. So as you can see here, we have a top-down view. Oh, you can print it. Wait, you can print a beefy CPU goes a long way for rendering from Premiere. Yeah, I saw that Premiere last time when I was editing. I left it kind of overnight just so it would be done the next day. It crashed on me like 3 times for some reason. Afterwards, Vegas crashed for me on me 2 times, and then I was able to render it. And actually, you need quite a good CPU if you're rendering simulations, and that I found that when I was working with MantaFlow on Blender, which is kind of a bitch to render. Like you simply don't render it; you just kind of wait and hope it goes there. And the problem is with every little adjustment you make, you have to, you know, render it once again. Yeah, I know we have the Adobe from ACS. I'm actually currently using the Photoshop for making thumbnails. Although still I don't make them on my own because I'm not that good. Alright, so there we go. I should probably zoom in a bit. Yep. Pay 70 euros a month. Wait, you actually pay? I mean, yeah, I get it, but like, yeah, I use the free one on Premiere currently. I don't know what I'm going to do later, but being being a YouTuber, they don't pay you unless you're good or unless you're relatable or marketable, and I'm not marketable, that's for sure. All right, so I'm planting those kind of like berries, and actually, I'm going to try right now is the printer function, because the emulator works with my printer, as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to be printing it right now to see how it looks when you print something. I've sprinkled in random elements. So where is it? This output to printer and start printing. All right, so is it going to recognize it? Printer not working? Break? Oh, okay, so I just started the printer. Last time when I needed to print something from that emulator, it worked. So horizontal printer. Also, they dot matrix. Okay, so they have different kind of printers. Okay, so you can also save it as a file. I don't know. Fiverr pays me, Matt. You click the wrong printer. Wait, alright, so look, I'm printing. Okay, so I direct output to printer. I don't have such a printer. I don't have a LaserJet. I don't have a PostScript. I don't have a Epson. I have a fucking Samsung printer. It's not the 90s. Other brands make also printers. So I'm going to press. Alright, so numbers show, which I'm pretty sure are kind of like codes which gardeners or farmers use to identify plants. So that's pretty nifty. Alright, so can I save it? Okay. Okay, so I can save it. And in the directory I make trial tree low. Yeah, sure. Okay, I actually saved it. So wait. You know what? Sure, vanish. I'll try O3. Alright, I kind of want a bigger plant. Okay, just use this one. So place random plants. I'll place a arch, because why not? And the printer is on. I don't know how to show you other than the cable is in. And I'm trying everything, okay? So numbers on, direct output to printer. First of all, we're going with the LaserJet. You kind of want a bigger car. I don't think it can go more than 999 meters actually. Alright, so nope, nothing. Doesn't print. PostScript. Maybe? Is it? Wait, start printing? Alright, printing. File. The printer not working. Sure. Alright, I'll try the last one. If it doesn't work, I think there's an option to save it as a printable file. I don't know what kind of file that would be, so that's kind of concerning me. Just because LPT1 and a file. Numbers on. And I will save it as a file. Writing file 3 garden per PRN files. I mean, sure. It's a PRN file. And I'm actually just going to go probably and search for it in the directory I left. And I hope the layout in which it prints it is actually... I'm interested because it could print it top down, or it could just print it like the way I'm leaving it now. Probably print it top down though. $91. So waiting and whoops. Alright. So I'll just go and check on in the DOS folder. And yes, there appears to be a PRN file. I don't know how to show you. I mean, I guess I can show you. So this is the folder. So these are the files of the of the software. And actually, all right. See you later, Vanish. And actually, as you can see, a PRN file, which is not that common of a format nowadays, because It's not the 90s. So I should be able to print it. Nope. I don't know if there is a software with which I can open PRN file. Nope, nope. Alright, maybe not. So how to open PRN files. Holy PRN. My computer is overheating due to this software. It's that hard. PRN files may be printed in macOS by dragging a file on the desktop. In Windows, they can be printed by right-clicking on the file, selecting Microsoft Office document images. Jing. It says Microsoft to look for Microsoft Office document imaging. Only some versions. I'm actually really invested or interested in this. I really want to know, is there a way? Is down Modi? Alright. Alright, so I'm looking at the official tutorial. Let me just show you because I need to show you something. So, introduction Modi has been removed from in 2010. I don't even have Microsoft Office, so hopefully it will work. Ooh. 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 Alright. So, to install Modi, use one of the following methods. 1. Download and install MDI. Alright, sure. MDI to TIFF. Alright, I'm just going to... Oops. MDI to TIFF converter. So installation appears to be completed. And now we should be seeing... Store previous versions. Alright. So doesn't work, so just look for PRN. Sure, PRN to PDF for some online converter. Alright, there it is. I don't care since I'm on a virtual machine. So I want it as a PDF. And oops. So alright, so now we should have a PDF file. Alright, so this is kind of what happens when we convert it into PDF. Contact procs. Alright, so a new proc, length proc. So I think this is the way the app kind of... Wait, I'm not sure, but this should be... this should be some way of... Or this is a way, I guess, for the application, the gardening application, to save the files without taking that much space. So I'll just look PRN file opener software. I'm just looking for PRN because I don't know. I think it requires Office to download it officially. Best with PRN. Yeah. So pre-PDF. To view the PRN file, first add a PRN file to the file menu, open, and it will ask you. Alright. So we're getting free PDF. Alright. Free PDF, yeah. Okay, so I'll just go and look for free PDF. And that looks that looks about right. That looks like their website. So English, huh? Sure, German. All right. Free PDF for Windows. All right. So this. Oh, so we need an email, and we need a registration. Do I wanna? Do I? I mean, sure, guys. Sure, guys. I don't want. I don't want this to be the final answer. So I'm giving them a throwaway email. Don't worry. All right. So I think it worked. All right. It appeared to have worked. I get them like a throwaway email I have, which I kind of use for some stupid shit like this. So just gonna wait. And 10 minutes. Alright. So while this is happening, how about we go back to the actual software? Yep. Here we go. And this is way better. Just gonna shut down this. Alright, so while this is going to download, most of the kind of models they have here, or I don't know how to call them, they look like models. Alright. Most of the models they have here seem to be quite simple. I mean, their house, with your house, you know, pretty big deal, is this. This is the house. Ignore that we just placed it on a few plants, and now they are going through the house. This is the, you know, this is the house, and this is how it looks. Now, I guess it's good enough for the time. I can make a better house, you know. I can make a better house than this for 5 seconds. But that's beside the point. We're talking about 1993, which back then I think the only software they had, or I think they had, wait, I'm just going to put in back my keyboard, was Softimage 3D, which I'm actually trying to find a version of the old Softimage 3D, which I can obviously show you here on stream or on YouTube. Probably on YouTube. You know, yes, close that. So I've been looking for Softimage, not much success, but that's beside the point. And the models here are quite simplistic, but I think if you're a gardener, it does the job. I think I kind of don't like is the way you delete. You can't just press on an object, you need to cycle through them like a menu. And that's not very comfortable. It's not very convenient, especially if you, I guess, have more objects. I'm not sure. Maybe people actually use this software for gardening, or maybe it was just a gimmick which they would give to people. Alright, so here we go. Putting a house on the edge. So, I believe... Oops, wrong direction. These settings here, we haven't used them. Oops. So, what you need to know for this software is Control Z. It doesn't exist. I think, and that's very inconvenient. Alright, so this is a zoom in and zoom out. Again, I don't know if it's not hard to explain, but I really struggle to understand the difference between this kind of zoom, you know, this kind of zoom. And, I mean, they're obviously different in sizes, but that's not what I'm talking about. And also this kind of zoom, it zooms though. I'm not sure is there any difference, any significant difference. And so another thing we have here are months. So you can actually make it, wait, oh, in January, in January it has snow. Oh, that's actually really cool. I like the touch. I actually like it. I mean, it's cool. Do plants change in January? Wait, so I'm gonna put a plant. I'll put this thing. Plant like sun. Alright, so if I change the month. Alright, I can see the plants kind of. Wait, am I clicking the wrong thing? I think I am. But I don't know. The plants just they seem to disappear, but I think I just chose very short plants. Yeah, so what if I go to I don't know and choose something bigger like this, which is just like a regular bush. Alright, so this is December. Oh! Ah! This is so cool. This is actually impressive. It caught me off guard, but it makes sense. I mean, yeah, of course. When you change the seasons, plans change. I mean, I know that. I know that for sure. And that's still a fact. But what I'm talking about is this cool feature which allows you to visualize how kind of it will look. So as you can see, August fully bloomed. I still find this very very impressive. I like it. I like it. It's cool. Year, does it change? Does it influence? It influences the size. Oh, to show you how much they'll grow. And then does it show you when they die? I mean, it doesn't seem to, but it's cool that you can visualize kind of how old they died. So they live 20 years. Alright, but it's cool to see kind of a visualization of how they grow. No. Let's go. Year one, you can see. Then you can see kind of slowly they become bigger. That's really cool. I actually like those two features. They really surprised me. So what does this thing do? Look, we made a little house. So I guess these are kind of like a hide. So you can hide, you know, buildings, walls, so you can better visualize the rest. Alright, alright. Alright, that's actually cool. No, don't know what these two do. I'm still yet to, you know. I think this is kind of like you can change how much it moves. So if I put it 2 and I press enter. Alright, what if I put it a 10? Alright, so I'll put it 10. Oh, and then I'll put it back to 1. Alright, quite a noticeable difference. So, oh, so these are kind of like a control of how much. Alright, so this is the control of how much you can zoom or, you know, move to the right, move to the left. Alright, so it appears that the software appears that I figured it out, and it took me only 50 minutes. 50 minutes, guys. We did it. 50 minutes. Or I think at least I found most of its, you know, most of its functions, and I guess that's the important thing. So I still have no idea how to change the current plan list. Or is there any way to search other than just letting them stay? You know, stay as they are. Yeah, I'm actually. It's a nice software. Copyright Janet A. Nicholson. Huh. That's a new name. So I'm about to. So I think the software actually, which was the free PDF software, I think it downloaded. So I'm just gonna run it, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so the installation. So I'm downloading free PDF currently to see how it's going, you know, to see if we can actually visualize this PRN file. I didn't realize that would be such a problem, but it's 1993 version 1.4J. But actually, during my research, Janet A. Nicholson was never a name that appeared. Alright, so I think something is happening. Alright, so I downloaded through PDF. Alright. Okay, so it turns out that you actually, I'm just going to open it from here. Turns out from my phone, but turns out you actually need to get for free PDF to get a key. I mean, it's a free software, but you still need a key. It's stupid, but whatever. Hopefully this can open the PRN file, because I have no idea. Software. Okay, so it gave me the key. So I'm just gonna enter it. So that should be it. Alright, so I activated it. And I'm actually, whoops. Actually gonna bring it to the other page. Oops. Let me just, here we go. Whoops. I can move out the menu bar. But I did it, guys. Here we got the pre-PDF. And I am about to Alright, so I'm just looking for the DOS folder. Here it is. And it actually doesn't appear to... No. Well, it said that you can open PRN with it. So I'm just gonna open the PDF. And the PDF. It said on the website, that's just false advertising. I'm pissed. This is stupid. So there we go. That was useless. Still don't know how to open PRN. So open with... I guess you can open them with Notepad. Ooh. Alright. I mean, that's actually kind of interesting to open it with Notepad to see how it's going. So yeah, we can open them with Notepad, but... So, photo gallery? No. I mean, Notepad is pretty decent if we can open it with that. Alright, so I mean, it's still PRN file, but hey, we found that we can open it with Notepad, and that we get whatever the fuck that is. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. Restored show page. I mean, probably still need to, find a better alternative, but it's interesting for sure. Oh, there are any options other than that? Oh, alright. So it's still the Microsoft Office document imaging. So it said download the MDI to TIF converter, and we still need, I think, whew. I think we still need the Microsoft. I mean, we need Modi, and I downloaded kind of, but we need Office. I guess I have a free trial of PowerPoint, which I can, I guess, use. Alright, so Modi with Windows 10. Office SharePoint Designer 2007. So I'm actually going to I am going to go to the last place on earth. Guys, I'm doing this for you. I'm going to the worst place on the planet. The worst. And trust me, it is horrible. But we have to. We are going to the Microsoft Store. Because we need to get Modi if we want to continue. So here we are. Anything, audio modifier, add. When I search PRN, PRN departments, Notebook Pro. Is that Microsoft product? PDFs, go vectors, take notes. Okay, JPEG. Nothing about PRN files though. Kind of features. Annotate PDFs. Is there Control F? Just need 3 simple letters. PRN. Come on, Microsoft. Why did you have to remove this? I mean, I didn't even know it was a feature until I needed. So no Modi. Maybe there is. I'm just looking at the top results. Writable dog. PM Office India. Live titles. Stay updated with our Indian government. Join your hands and join your hands to make a better India. Whoa. Parental guidance. Downloads and continuous user. It's the first mobile app for PM Office India. And without social networks. Holy shit. Alright, inside the application, Voice Home Voice Community is an initiative idea inspired by users interested to share ideas, issues, and what interests. Oh my god, to share issues and ideas in India. PM Office India updates. Here you can access Modi updates. Yeah, this is why I'd recommended it actually, Modi. But I doubt Mode inbuilt Modi official social network status. Wow. I mean, no wonder there are so many users. This app looks this app looks amazing. Okay, so Vanish, what you missed is to open a PRN file we need Modi, which is a discontinued Microsoft product, and we're looking on the Microsoft store to find something of the imaging, because I can't appear to get it worked, and I stumbled across PM Office India. It's not what it looks like. I'm not looking at Indian propaganda, okay? I mean, I kind of I kind of am, but as you can see, it said Modi here. I don't know if you missed that part. Yeah, I doubt it. I doubt that this is the Modi I need. What's Modi in India? What does Modi mean in Indian? Oh. Ah. Oh, I'm just look. This is not the thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for the Microsoft Office document imaging thing, so I can print the PRN file. Stay updated with our government to help make India better. Exactly. Wait, you can actually listen to this? I've never listened to a Wikipedia article. Oh, wait, I muted it actually accidentally. Where's the music? Stop it. I don't. Oh, this is the pronunciation. Oh, alright. So this is not what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for, but this, the first method, TFT, doesn't work. And there are some other ways, but I don't think they probably won't work if the first one didn't work. It just says the N. I have no idea. I looked for PRN file openers and I found one free PDF, but it doesn't work. PRN file opener software. So as you can see, PRN is just. Oh come on, man! I'm too lazy to fix the Bulgarian thing. So here we have PRN extension, list of programs that can open PRN files. Free PDF doesn't work, so. And also I like how the popularity of each one is low. Each one is low. Nobody likes them. MSP view exe. Links to websites, PRM information. Yeah, this looks like an official Microsoft product. I'm perfectly fine with that. It's runtime errors. Yeah, it's a Microsoft product, alright. Runtime errors downloaded, troubleshoot. Document for DM. Wait. Download Microsoft Office. Exe file since 1999. Ooh, I don't know if I trust this website. I mean, these are associated. The popularity column. Oh, yeah. I doubt that anyone would. Sure, let's look at free opener exe. But I doubt that anyone has looked. Download. Ooh, nope, nope. Mm-mm. Ooh, ooh. Guys, I'm doing this for content. That's what we're doing out here. So free opener exe should be able to open it too. So if it doesn't work, I'll look into Corel Graphics application because it says you can print them from there. I kind of want to open it first because when I opened it as a PDF, it's kind of useless. It's not what I want to. This is the last unexplored corner of the software. Excluding of course the manual. Excluding the manual because it's not software. I mean, it's not part of the software technically. I can't just find the manual online because Internet Archive doesn't have it, and if it's not on the Internet Archive, it's practically non-existent at this point because BBC would not answer my emails, and I mean, fuck BBC. Fuck BBC. Right, so I'm installing Free Opener right now. Now actually, in the meantime, since it's stuck, I'll just look at the Corel Graphics application because I'm kind of interested in that. Or at least I'm interested in what it can do. Corel Graphics. So Corel Draw. Alright. So this, they claim to open Corel Draw. It claims on that other website, download the free trial. Holy shit, that's expensive. Holy fucking shit. Also the free opener just crashed. The free opener just crashed. So I guess no, I don't want to commit that to anything. Alright. So features, let me see. PRN. Oh. Nothing about PRN. Nothing about PRN. Oh wow. I like sliders. Nothing about PRN. So I guess just the PRN format. Wait. PSD, PDF. Okay. How heavy is it? 'Cause I'm contemplating on getting it. Alright, I'm downloading the trial for Windows. Just actually move that. Alright, so we downloaded quite quickly. I really want to open this PRN file. I'm probably not going to be able to sleep. The notepad, opening it with notepad doesn't do shit. It just shows me random words and random letters. So this is the way. Hopefully. Angry. Well, this is downloading actually. We just go back to the software. Alright. So here is where we left off. And I don't know what I clicked, but I think. Alright, so you can navigate kind of like, whoops, by using a cursor right up there. So I think we're actually next to a bush. It appears to be so. Alright. Alright. Okay. So we fixed it. That's pretty good. Alright. Alright, so Corel Draw looks like it's downloaded. Alright, so it's installing right now. Okay. But I really just want to see how it looks when you print it. Or as a file, because are there any other options to export it as? A LPT1, which I don't know what an LPT1 is. Holy shit. I messed up big time. I have no idea where I'm at. Okay, so, alright, I was in the bush again. Nothing new. So free opener I downloaded actually, the one that I was trying to use before, and it turns out it can't fucking open the PRN files. Why are PRN files so hard to open? Like, it's such an old format. It should be kind of easy to find 50 programs that are ready to open it for you. But I mean, I guess that's what you get. I'm just going to delete it then. And I also delete free PDF because it didn't do shit. Okay, so Corel Draw installed. Okay, wait, what? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is going on? Uh-oh. Look, I had to wipe the screen off because the pixels died. I don't know if you can see that, but it's black. Can I click them? I mean, kind of. What? Why? Why did that happen? Why? Why is the emulator unhappy? What have I done to deserve this? What? Holy shit. Never had that happen before. Ooh. Okay, so I fixed it. Or I think I fixed it. And actually, Vanish, I don't know if you're here, but you weren't here when I found this out. And actually, there is a feature which shows you how your garden will look through different parts of the year. And actually shows the growth of the trees yearly. I just found that cool. I think you weren't here, so I'm just showing it again. Oh my god, you need a fucking You need a fucking account to get CorelDRAW, even the free version. Come on, guys. You know what? I'm not having it. PRN files will be the end of me. So looks like there is no other way to open it other than PRN file. And I don't know what happened to the screen. It just kind of died. So that appears to be the software. I don't know what these buttons do, actually. I believe it shows you... No idea what it shows you, actually. So I guess this is it. I guess this is the software. It looks quite more complicated before I got my hands on it. And actually there are only a few pictures of it. A few pictures and only actually very few recordings of this. So I'm just gonna show you. This is when you search it, BBC Gardener's World 3D Designer. As you can see, only a few images before it gets to like the actual magazine, and most of them are from. This is from some website, which I guess you can download it from. This is again from another website, but there are no actual other images. Can't find any videos, and there are like three results which are related to that. There's just some random book repository which claims it's 1995, but it's 1993, as we already saw the copyright date. And then we have some article in Garden's World about garden design software, or I guess that's a messaging board. But there was some article, not this one. Here in the BBC, they had kind of like a article on the BBC Home. They have an article, or an archive of an article on how to garden virtually, and nothing actually mentions that. Their software. And actually, I would have loved to show you this. You found it, but it's, you will need free plugin. But as you can see, the free plugin, and also think I don't know, Adobe doesn't work anymore. So the other thing I could find is this, which kind of looks like CD-ROM of that. But from what I know, the game was developed for floppy disk, and actually this is just something random the person found, although it looks like the same game or a sequel of that game. But the thing is, I would have bought it. I mean, it's kind of cheap, but the shipping would be like $50. I mean, it's not worth it for a $1 item. Would love to have it in my home. And I could find like another, here you can see a multimedia CD, not even a picture, and again, wrong publication date, currently unavailable. That's the thing. This is all I could find. I mean, even nowhere, BBC Garden's website, nowhere is it mentioned because they're scared. So I've actually, the download I had, or the files I had, I archived them on a Internet Archive, and you can see the only thing you can buy related to that is a gardening magazine by the BBC, which, I mean, cool. It's cool and all, but no, that's just it. There is just some random, buy them from Amazon and an eBay auction, which is, actually has the right publisher, and then nothing. But I guess it's sold out, so that's why. You can even find it in France with the wrong date and currently unavailable. that's why this is so interesting, because we don't know where it came from. I mean, we know BBC, we know 1993, we know a name of a developer, and we have this, and that's just it. So I guess that's it. The job here is done. We explored the software, we wrote it, we understood everything there is to it. It wasn't that hard, and that would be it for today. And guys, I will see you probably in the next couple of days or next week. Bye.